What started as a promising week for our COVID rates has turned sharply. More than 8,000 new cases confirmed today. That puts us back above last week's case trend after coming in well below it yesterday. Our testing positivity rate stays at record highs, coming in at 17.91%. We've been above 15% every day so far in April. Remember, below 3% is where we want to be to consider contained community spread. The numbers are concerning across the entire state, but during a briefing from the state's top epidemiologist today, we learned the Grand Rapids region is seeing the highest jump in hospitalizations. Here's that data from the state. All regions are showing an increase this week, but Region 6, which includes Kent, Ionia, Ottawa, Muskegon, Newaygo, and Montcalm counties, doubled since last week. Region 6 is also seeing one of the highest increases in COVID-19 ICU visits.
All regions have increasing ICU census. The fastest growth has been occurring in preparedness regions 1, 6, and 8. 6 regions currently have 25% or greater of their ICU beds being occupied by COVID patients.
So we wanted to take a deeper look at where the numbers stand in our area. Spectrum Health has 223 inpatient COVID patients across their hospitals right now. That number was below 50 just last month. Mercy Health St. Mary's has 30. Metro Health has 23. Down south, Bronson has 71 patients across their 4 facilities. Borges has 37. North Ottawa Community Hospital has 3 patients right now with COVID-19.